Imagine that you had a digital version of your physical body. Everything from nutrition and workouts to meditation and medical data. The system that understands you connects every part of your life into one intelligent ecosystem built to help you master your body, mind, and performance. This is not your average Notion template. This is a complete all-in-one health tracking system, and it all begins here with your health profile. This is the core of Second Body. Every piece of information about you, your weight, height, fitness goals, is entered into the system once, and then it's automatically used across the entire system. This profile becomes the heartbeat of everything that follows. Second Body feels natural. It's designed like an app, but built inside Notion. You just tap, swipe, and explore around as you please. Every page speaks to the next. Nutrition influencing training, sleep informing focus, emotions shaping your energy. With Second Body, you're not juggling systems. You're flowing through one. Let's start with the physical part. The Smart Nutrition system learns who you are. It auto-calculates how many calories you should eat per day depending on your fitness goals, which diet you're on. It even breaks down the calorie intake into exact macros, so you know exactly how many grams of fat, protein, and carbs you can eat per day to hit your goals. It's like having a personal nutritionist who evolves with you. Organize your favorite recipes, track your ingredients, and hit your weight goals easier than ever before. Not only can you organize, categorize, and maintain your workout and running schedules, you start to see the full picture. How your training affects recovery, mood, even focus the next day. From morning runs to late night gym sessions, your data feeds directly into the system so you can track it and stay up to date. But health isn't just about what you track, it's also about what you manage. Inside the Medical Hub, prescriptions, lab results, and appointments stay organized and accessible at any time. Everything you need in one place. You can even keep track of your daily medication schedule and never miss another doctor's appointment. But your mind deserves the same attention as your body. That's why Second Body includes a full mental health suite with mood tracking, reflection, and journaling. You'll start to see how stress, sleep, and emotion shape your physical results. You can track your goals and habits to make sure you never miss a beat. It's a mirror for your inner world. At the end of each day, everything comes together. You open your daily check-in section. Every stat, every note, every signal from your body merges into one clear summary. Use that to reflect, learn, and prepare for tomorrow. Because self-awareness, that's the very first step towards self-mastery. This is your Second Body, the complete digital extension of you. A system where clarity, control, and confidence all lives together. With Second Body, your health gets reimagined and your full potential gets unlocked. Hit the link below and grab Second Body today.